Okay, in this video I will share to you about how to make a simple modern pavilion in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make the rotate rectangle and click from this origin and drag to the another side around 6 meter and move to the behind around 6 meter also. Then we can click this surface and push it up around 300 millimeter and triple click, right click, make group, and then we can select move, tap control, place to this position and move up again around 3 meter and enter. Okay, and after that we can select the rectangle and click from this corner to this corner, triple click the surface and offset it inside around 500 millimeter, enter. Then we can click the surface, right click, erase, and triple click this line, erase, and push it to the bottom and click the surface and push it down. Okay, then we can click this line, select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can type /, and enter, and also this one. Okay, we can select this line, then we can select move, tap control and place to this position around. Then we can type 3/ and enter, triple click and make group. Okay, and then we can select the glass and select the translucent. Okay, then we can erase this surface, this top and bottom surface like this. Okay, now we can explore about the shape of this simple pavilion, and we can try to make the another variation. We can select the rectangle and draw the rectangle in here, and we can draw like this, and we can draw like this. Okay, then we can select the 2-point arc and make this arc in this position. Then we can type 64S and enter. Okay, we can make this one and then click this line, this arc, and then select offset. Okay, and then we can offset like this, and we can continue to adjust about this arc. Okay, like this. Okay, then we can click this line. Okay, then we can push it to the behind and push it to the behind like this, and then you can make group. Okay, then we can select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can flip along with the blue axis, and we can flip along the red and select move and place to this position. Okay, thanks for watching and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.